Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates since we will be discussing best platforms for starting an online e-commerce business. Online buying is becoming increasingly popular. This is wonderful news for sellers because, with the correct tools, any small business can immediately begin selling online and participate in the gold rush. Let's get started with a list of the best platforms for starting an online e-commerce business. Shopify. Shopify is the most effective selling platform. If you want to dropship, the best option is to use Facebook ads or Instagram marketing. If I were going to rely on SEO, I wouldn't utilize Shopify. The shop is Wired. Shopwired is quickly growing in popularity as an e-commerce platform. It caters to consumers all around the world and scores highly in terms of features, performance, convenience of use, and other factors. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is the greatest e-commerce platform overall. It's perfect for larger retail firms because of its powerful product search engine. It's also a great option for folks who wish to open an online store. On the internet, you'll find Square. Square Online offers a variety of tools to help small companies prosper, including online bookings, online meal ordering, and POS integrations. Squarespace. Squarespace's stunning themes make it ideal for creativity. It combines style with practical sales tools like a well-organized inventory system. Wix. Wix is a popular platform for small online shops. It allows you a lot of creative freedom, which is ideal for branding, as well as important sales features like abandoned cart recovery. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let me know in the comments section. Before you leave, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.